2025. We are doing the things. It is the Lions Gate portal today. 8-8. How divine. We are heading to the mountains. Thoughts?
My thoughts is that I'm ready to shake my ass as soon as I get into that Westcliff pass. And I thank you.
Release the hips, release the trauma. Mr. Baby?
Mrs. Baby.
Where we off to? What's our first stop?
First stop is Engine 1, just before the pole turn off. We're gonna
The Engine.
We're gonna meet there with all the homies, and then we're gonna spot the route to Bayou's Grove.
Inshallah.
Hello.
Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube. Whoosh!
For Pat course we just had Puffs, always a winner. The sausage roll one was great. We also had some hot cross buns and just had to eat around the raisins for Bain. Well, one hot cross bun. Cherry cabanossi. Have you ever had cherry cabanossi? This is from the Biltong place next to Checkers in Canal Walk. Cherry cabanossi. How is that? Do verdict.
Oh man,
Oh!
very juicy. That with a nice
Lekker
ice
sweet.
cold beer. Pat my beer.
Oh, yeah, but tang in the background.
Get that burst, that tangy burst.
Ooh. Wow, oh my god.
Hi guys. It's not my favorite. Bain keluar 2025 baby.
Those glasses are.
Gorgeous,
One serving.
Yeah.
Have your moment, B. There's a good expression of what you were tasting.
As the saying goes, it is stated.
On the weekends here, and we're turning up the slate, okay? ShopRite's got deals to make your
Jesus.
It's full on snow on the mountain.
Ini got my number plate.
There's enough space for 12, for 11 people.
maybe look at the different app.
So
I found the best way to
I would say that we need to be back.
I was lying in it
Did he say it was 3 hours?
So, Bobby, yeah?
We can do that on Sunday. Tomorrow there won't be enough time to go out for a hike. We need to hike here.
Okay.
And maybe on Sunday it will be a
And then maybe
better
Sunday
weather.
we can go
I get that.
Okay,
You know
fine.
what I mean? Just
So what's the other alternative?
So you want to do this one that you showed us with me?
because then you're gonna go now. It's all look left.
We're out here in the wilderness, man.
Which wilderness?
We out here in the Bains, bro. Bains, bro.
Get it clear, get it clear.
It's even Little Red Riding Hood.
Rosemary from the garden.
Literally not even washed.
It's fine.
Exactly.
I don't think so at all.
It is.
So what are you getting into?
I need to. I'm making. You guys must eat a piece of bread, eh? Some a lovely buttery mushroom, and I think there's butter around everywhere. What did you want on there?
Oh, that smells absolutely gorgeous.
Yo, I got water. Must give thanks for that.
I wanted to walk behind him.
Oh, lovely.
Be careful, man.
No, I'm gonna eat. Here's Marty over here.
My wife has been wanting to load it even more. Right?
Yes.
Hi, guys.
What you loaded with, what?
Cheers.
Oh, thank you, love.
He added leaves from the garden and grass from the lawn.
Where's the snails?
Snails. The crab. Where's the crab? From the water.
Nice.
Will be nice, my way. I like that silence.
Crazy stuff.
Okay,
good?
throw some oil and some meat in. A little bit of oil and some meat.
Hey, this is last night's
Push your barb out!
What scent is that, Chelsey?
My nose is blocked, so I wouldn't be able to tell you, unfortunately. Yeah. Good morning from Bain's, Mount Bain Nature Reserve out here in the wild. We are doing the most. Took a little hike up this morning. It was supposed to be raining, but wow. Look at that.
Look at that.
Gorgeous. Breathe it in.
Ladies and gentlemen, we out here in Bain's. What we have behind us is a cave full of baboons that we're trying to get away from, but we got some influences in the wild.
Yeah.
Doing it for the plot.
Doing it for the plot, my bro.
Okay, let's go.
I didn't get it. Sorry,
Wow, the things you learn out in nature. Oh, that's so good. Yeah, mommy said that you do make food at home. I really wasn't a believer in that.
I don't believe in it.
No, me neither.
You must see his meal prep.
But he's very
Domesticated.
meal prep.
Yeah.
Bitch, here's your payment.
Eagle.
That leg has to look nice.
You're saying you used to might catch me in the burnt ones.
Support.
Give thanks.
Keep going, keep going.
That is a building.
Does it say
No.
not as sweet as I hoped?
Just this one.
Yeah, I think
Oh my god.
Anyway.
This is the cold.
Do you want to say anything?
Thanks to everyone that's here. And
Yeah.
all enjoy the food.
Yeah.
That's a hand just blessed.
go. I see somebody found me, man. Sorry, I'm excited for the Sago pudding.
Give me girl in the sky.
Having pochi made with loving hearts.
Enjoy, girl.
Oh.
But they pulled the
Give me the link, bro. Give me the link. I'm gonna buy me a beer. Is it this way? I like it.
Very nice, yeah, I like it also.
It's at fire kicks, bro. This is for the herbal tea. I foraged some herbs. So I got a small one of rosemary. Lots of lovely mint. Then we got a fine bush lavender. That's gonna go in the herbal tea. Thank you. Yeah, open this one. So we're doing 2 Robu's tea bags. Okay.
Thank you very much.
Going?
Lekker man.
Home the chicken somewhere in here, no?
Yes sir. Wow. Put it. Good morning world. It's the last day. So there is a toilet. I think I see a man about a horse. The shower was here, but this is what you came for. That's just. That's the view. Radio doing your thing. What a beautiful day to depart in that way. This is our last day. We're on our way out. We are on our way to go and make our way back to Cape Town, but we're going to stop at a few wine farms, so come along.
Sounds good. Ladies and gentlemen, we are here at the Deutsch Club wine tasting, oatmeal breakfast. You know how we do it. It's fabulous as always. Come around if you're passing the inner one. Pop in, have a snack, have a coffee. You can't do that, the work on the farm, man. Yeah. Thank you.
Is that with the oat milk?
Yes, ma'am. It's no.
Thank you.
That's for me, yes. Thank you so much. That is gorgeous. Oh my goodness. What is going on? What is going on?
Can I get some?
Oh, we are heading on our way back to Cape Town. Bye bye holiday. Back to reality. Love going through the spas. What a beautiful time. What a beautiful time. Blessed.
And agent consultations to or we can move forward together on the basis of the principles outlined.
Go home.
Die man wat van sy moord beskuldig word. Kultuurgate en McKenzie sê hy gaan nie uit sy pos bedank oor valse beskuldigings van rasisme.
Lekker holiday. We just picked up the doggos from Ma. Say bye, Ma. And we are on our way home. Thank you, Journey's Mercies. Everything was amazing. Thank you guys for tuning in. If you like the content, don't forget to like and share. Hit the subscribe. And we'll take you on some more adventures. Peace out.
See you next time.